Hey everybody, this is Chris.Buystedt out here on a beautiful rainy day in Junction City, Oregon, where I am about ready to show you a fantastic trailer. It's the Outback 2018 278 URL. Really great trailer. One of the things I want to tell you is that it's got a power jack, so you can lift it up with just the press of a button. Super nice, got nice big tanks, LED lighting inside and out, a beautiful power awning, outdoor speakers, frameless windows, outdoor kitchen. I'm a real fan of outdoor living trailers because a lot of times when you back in, your scenery and your view is out the back side. In this particular unit, you've got lots of living space, lots of great windows to really enjoy the view, and that's what you go camping for anyway, is to enjoy the great outdoors. Come on in and check it out. We'll show it to you. So as I said before, you've got a rear living trailer here. Look at this big slide out. You've got a nice sized dinette that folds into a bed. You've got your nice couch and living area back here where you can actually have a conversation with people. Couple nice swivel chairs. All of this big beautiful windows around where you can look out at the scenery. Beautiful trailer. And I like the fact that the furniture is not real small. I'm a big guy, and I fit well in all of this furniture. I think that's an important selling point. Also, take a look at the way that we have the entertainment system here. It's, instead of using a ton of cabinetry, it's a very small scale. It doesn't take up a lot of real estate, but it gives you everything that you need. From storage shelves, the TV, everything that you need for your entertainment system. Speakers are all in the ceiling. What's really fantastic about this particular trailer is all of the pantry space right next to your fridge, right next to this beautiful kitchen where you've got everything that you need, from a 3-burner cook stove, an oven, microwave, a nice sink with lots of counter space. And the way that it's designed, you can be actually doing everything that you need to do in here to get meals prepared and do dishes and things like that for your family, while people can still be having conversations, watching TV, and moving about the coach without bothering you, which I think is really great. Your AC is ducted all throughout the coach. Your speakers are also up in the ceiling. Nice fans. And I want to show you the bathroom here. What can I say? Beautiful bathroom, glass surround shower, plenty of space, extra storage, medicine cabinets. And it's right next to your master bedroom suite. So you have a private bedroom behind the doors. You've got a residential queen walk around. You've got lots of storage in the wardrobes and in the overhead compartments. It's lit beautifully. There is a place here for a TV, and you can choose the TV you want. If you want a nice big 32, you can have that in this. And what's really great is you have an outside door that will take you right back out if you'd like. Steps down and you're outside right from your bedroom. So this is a beautiful trailer, folks. I tell you what, I think anybody would be happy in this trailer, and I'd love to show you this one or many more that we have here at Guaranty. If you give me a call, my name is Chris.Buystedt. My number is 541-636-7878, and I'd love to show you this or show you some of the other ones that we have. I know we got the perfect trailer for you.